She was determined to try and get these jewels out, and she was helped here by her son Boris. And they had this friend called Albert Stopford. Albert Stopford was a remarkable figure because for all his rather dandyish appearance, he must have been quite a strong character and quite a brave man.
Albert Stopford er englænder, og med sin diplomatstatus kan han bevæge sig frit i det tumulte Rusland. Han klæder sig ud som håndværker, og efter mørkets frembrud sniger han sig ind i Vladimir-paladset.
So he got in at night, and he took with him 2 big Gladstone bags. And he went to the safe, and he took everything out of the safe. And he managed to get these bags with the jewels. One of them apparently had 25 tiaras. So this was delicate cargo, fragile and heavy. And how to pretend that you're a workman carrying a bag of old plumber's tools, when in fact you're carrying that kind of cargo. And that was the easy part, because then he had 2 big problems, jewels and cash. And so the money had to be got to her and the jewels had to be got out of Russia.